Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy or trade Cardano ADA. Okay, very important is that we're going to use the Coinbase app over here. uh, what I like about Coinbase is that you don't have to actually go on the search bar. All the main coins are right in front of you as the main coins that you should follow and look. Let's go on Cardano USD over here because we're going to use the US dollar to trade or to purchase Cardano. First thing I want you to pay very close attention when you're using your phone is that there is a default setting on Coinbase app, which is the interval. As you can see over here, it is always 1 hour. So if you are interested in trading in lower time frame, which is the most used 15 minutes, or you might use a different one, simply want to make sure that you check your settings before you proceed with any purchases. The second thing that I want to highlight over here is that you want to make sure that you have all your usual indicators uh, essentially enabled, so you will be able to make the best decision possible. Prices are moving more during these days simply because the volatility has increased since the year began, so you want to pay close attention to all these numbers. Without losing additional time, let's click on the lower left side of the screen, click the buy button, and let's see what are the options and choices that we should make if we want to buy Cardano. So there are three different types of orders you can actually place. There's limit order. Essentially current price of Cardano is 48 cents. Let's say you want to place a limit order which is lower than the current prices. Let's say you want to buy Cardano when it hits 45 cents, right? You want to place your bet over here and you want to place the amount. Another way to approach the same exact trade will be simply to select, if Cardano is down 5%, buy X amount of my portfolio into Cardano. If you look down, you will see that there is a similar allocation types with the amount of money. If you had 1,000 US dollars in your portfolio, and you can simply decide to allocate a percentage of this, 25, 50, or 75%. This essentially means that when Cardano falls X%, you're gonna buy Y amount of your portfolio. Very, very interesting. I haven't utilized this function simply because I'm trading with a very small margins, meaning that I'm really looking into particular prices, which if you just use the percentage being down or up, or using percentage allocated from your portfolio, is not as accurate as I want it to be. The second type of order will be, of course, the market order, meaning if you expect, very strong price action, if you expect to not go lower, to not be able to buy at the lower prices, you're gonna place a market order. The main downside over here, of course, will be that you're not gonna know what will be your cost basis until the order is actually fulfilled, meaning the prices are moving every millisecond. So when you click buy, there are a couple of seconds to get your order confirmed and another couple of seconds to get your order fulfilled. So between this seconds time frame, you wanna get Cardano moving up or down. So it will take time for you to see what's your cost basis and how much did you actually paid for your position. The stop limit is the new function, which essentially means I'm gonna put Cardano to go to buy, let's say, X amount of Cardano at prices, let's say when it hits 46 cents. And even though Cardano will keep moving up or down, but I will be able to purchase at this 46 cents with the stop limit buy. Okay. Be very mindful, guys. This is not a financial advice. Always be aware that the volatility on the crypto market is 10 to 20x, if not more in some situations, than the stock market. Also, remember that there is a small fee associated with each and every transaction, not only on Coinbase, but in any crypto exchange. So be careful and always pay attention to the numbers. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.